Ever wonder what the best apps for creating graphics are? How about the easiest apps for creating graphics? Well, today, if you keep watching, you're going to find out. Before we dive in, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you want more content like this so you can make sure to get notified every time a new video goes up. My name's Karen Taradas. I'm with Social U, and for the last 12 years, I've been helping hundreds of entrepreneurs and business owners just like yourself to grow their business with social media. It worked for them. It can work for you. So let's go ahead and jump in. Today, we're talking about the best apps for graphic creation for social media. And to me, easy always equals best. So does free. So let's talk about some stuff that's free and easy to use, just in case you're not, fluid in Adobe or Photoshop or any of that stuff. So let's get started. Okay, number one, WordSwag. It is the easiest app if you want to add text to an image that you already have. They have a ton of pictures in their gallery for you to choose from. It's totally free. There's a bunch of different fonts. There's a bunch of different typeface. So all you have to do, and if you have your own picture, if you want to put a label on one of your own pictures, you just load it up, you put your words on there, and you're good to go. The second one is Canva. And for any of you guys who haven't heard of Canva, you need to stop this video and go check it out right now. Canva, Canva.com. It is awesome for graphic creation. There is a very, very robust free version. If you want to pay, I think it's $12 a month, and you get a huge template with that. I mean, huge. You have a bunch of templates, bunch of images, just a tremendous library, and it allows you not only to write text, but you can put arrows and images and frames. Just the possibilities are endless. There is a handheld version, of course, an app for the phone, and there's a program on the computer if you do better on the computer. Number three, Pixaloop. This is one of my favorites because it's really easy, and people will ask you, how did you do that? It costs about $3 a month or $19 for the whole year. I think it can go up to $55 depending on the version that you get, but $3 a month is not bad. Basically, what it does is it creates a loop of movement. You can add sparklers, you can add fireworks, snowflakes, bubbles, just the coolest, and it's very subtle. You can make it subtle. You can make it less subtle. You can have butterflies that are flying around, but it's just a very simple overlay on whatever image you select so that it looks like your image has movement. It also can, you can make it so that it looks like the wind is blowing and it's blowing your hair back, or the grass is moving, or the water is flowing. It's so much fun. It's worth it just to get in and play with it to see some of the neat stuff that it does. Number four, Bestie. This is and there's a ton of apps to edit selfies, a ton. This one's free. It is really about editing your selfies, but it allows you to go in there and tweak, maybe make your teeth a little wider, maybe make your face a little more Doris Day. And if you get that reference, you know exactly what I'm talking to, just kind of smooth out the lines and make you look less the age you actually are. So Bestie's a good one for that. Number five, Retouch. It is free. It is to edit your photos basically by eliminating distractions is how they put it. But it takes out the stuff in the background that you don't want people to see. So if you have an awesome picture and there's a power line or there's a weird traffic sign, you can take that out with the Retouch app. It is, again, it's free. So far, all of these have been free except Pixaloop. But Retouch allows you to take out the background stuff that you don't want people to take a look at. And number six, Spectre. This is a long exposure app. Okay, what does that mean? Well, it's a long duration shutter. And what that means to you is it will sharply capture stationary objects. So it makes the picture a lot more clear without blurring or smearing or obscuring movement. So if you're taking a picture of a river, it will take that picture in a very crisp way without making the fact that the water's moving look fuzzy. You can also use it to create trail lights in your pictures if you're photographing, let's say, traffic or cars. It's just a very neat app. It is $2.99 a month. No, I think it's $2.99 one time. So not tremendously expensive, but so easy. These apps are so easy. And if you're going to be online and you want your business to grow, the graphics have to be good. There's just too much competition out there for you not to take time to make great graphics. So just a quick recap. WordSwag to add text to images, Canva to format, add text, pull up images. You might pull up library of images that you don't have access to. Just really great for templates, really robust application. Number 3, Pixaloop adds movement in a quick and easy way. Number 4 is Bestie. It's a great selfie editor. Retouch is just exactly what it says it is. It allows you to touch up your photos and take out the stuff you don't want. Inspector is a long exposure app that allows you to take movement photos in a very clear way. Whew. Are you ready to get better at your graphics? What's your favorite photo editing app that you're using right now? And if you're not using one right now, tell me which one of these sounds best to you in the comments below. I'd love to see what you guys are using or what you're interested in using. The apps we've talked about today will totally help you create professional quality looking photos without having to be a graphic designer, so that you can share them on platforms like Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram. Speaking of Facebook, is your Facebook page working for you or working against you? You can find out by clicking the link in the description below to take our quick quiz and find out what your Facebook page is doing to help or to hurt your business. I hope this video helped you guys out a lot. Please join me again on Tuesdays and Fridays at 2 p.m. for more great content like this. And until then, thank you guys.